हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे जियोग्राफी और जियोलॉजी के बारे में। जियोग्राफी और जियोलॉजी में क्या डिफरेंस है इसके बारे में आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल साइंस। सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय साइंस? सो बेसिकली साइंस इज ए परस्यूट और application of knowledge and understanding of any process through a systematic methodology that is based on the evidence. So, whatever things or processes or hypotheses are present in the science, all are based on the evidence. So, evidence is the one of the important thing for the science. So, generally, when we broadly classified the science, so there are main three branches. First one is the life science, that is also known as biology. Okay, the second branch is the physical science that include the physics and chemistry, and third one is the earth science that include many sciences like geology, geography, meteorology, oceanography, astronomy. So all these branches of science, they are intercorrelated. When we see this diagram, here you can see all the branches like life science, natural science, physical science, science of technology, all are intercorrelated with each other. There is no separate science. So in this video, we discuss about the geography and geology. So first of all, what do you mean by geography? So geography means, so the geography word is derived from a Greek word, geographia. So it is derived from a Greek word geographia, which means the description of earth, earth description. Okay, but when we divide, this geographia is made up of two words. G means earth, and graphia means writing. So Eratosthenes, Eratosthenes was the first person who used the word geography, or we can say geography. That's why the Eratosthenes is known as a founder of geography. So this is important. Keep in mind, the Eratosthenes is known as founder of geography. So in general or in layman language, geography is the study of a place, or we can say study of land, features, inhabitants means the people who resides in particular place, or phenomena of the earth and planets, and their relationship between the people and their environment. So this is the definition of simple definition of geography. Okay, so now we'll see the detailed definition of the geography. So geography means examination, description, and explanation of earth. Okay, examination, description, and explanation of earth, its variability from place to place, how places and features change over the time, and the processes responsible for these variations and changes. So geography में हम क्या देखते हैं, एग्जामिन करते हैं पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस और थिंग्स को, उसको डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, व्हाट इज देयर डिस्क्रिप्शन, then we explain what is the methodology or process behind this particular thing. Okay, now we also study the variability from place to place. Okay, so what is the, when we go run over the earth from one place to another place, so there is variability among the things, among the forest, the availability of water resources, the soil type. Okay, so there are large variability over the earth from place to place. So all these things or variations we studied in the geography. Now geography is also known as spatial science. Spatial science means the science that is location specific. that describe or that study that particular specific location or their characteristics. It because it includes the analyzing and explaining the locations, distribution pattern, variations, and similarities or differences among the phenomena on the Earth surface. That's why it is known as spatial science. So basically, there are two main branches of the geography. The first one is the human geography, and the second one is known as physical geography. So what we study in the human geography, okay? So the name itself tell, here we look the relationship of human beings or living beings with their environment of the earth, okay, and their effect on the earth's environment. Like we include or we studied many features like population density, density of population, their language pattern, what is the politics, regional politics, the religion, architecture, culture, economics, and in their interaction with their environment. All these things come under the human geography. Then after the second branch is the physical geography. The physical geography deals with the physical characteristic over the earth surface, like water bodies, what is the extent of water bodies, climate, soils, natural vegetations, animals, animal life, all these things come under the physical geography. Okay, the physical geography is also include the characteristic or the results or things that are due to the result of human activities like houses, bridges, parks, and use land use pattern. All these things that are mainly anthropogenic activities. They are made up by the anthropogenic activities. So they are also included into the physical geography. Now the geomorphology. So what do you mean by geomorphology? So it is a branch of physical geography in which we study the nature and development of land, different type of the landforms. Okay, so this is deal with the geomorphology. Now there are many terminologies that are starting from the geo. Geo means earth. Okay, and it is derived from a Greek word ge. So first is the geographia, geography. Geography means the description of the earth. Second is the geology. Logy means study. So it is the study of the earth. Then after geometry. Metry, it is a geometry. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with the size, shape, position, angles, and dimensions of a particular body or thing. So it is a science of measurement, geometry. Then after geoid, okay, so geoid, Geoid. Geoid, it is a shape and form of earth. Geoid, a terminology that is used for the specific shape of earth. As we know, the earth is not circular. Okay, so there are some areas are flattened around the uh, equator, and okay, these some the equatorial part is some have outgrowth extended outside. So this is the original structure. Your left hand side you can see this is the picture actual shape of the earth. Okay, this is the actual shape of the earth, and this shape is known as geoid. Then after the next word is the geodesy. Okay, the geodesy means the division of earth. Geodesy, it is a actually branch of the earth science that deal with the measurement and understanding the geometric shape, orientation in the space and gravitational forces of the earth. Then after a terminology, cartography. So cartography is a science that is dealing with the map making, different type of map related to the earth. So science that dealing with the map mapping known as cartography. Then after geology. So till now we discuss about the geography. Okay, now we will discuss about the geology. So what do you mean by geology? So geology is derived from two Greek word. G means earth and logy means study. It means it is deal with the study of the earth. So अर्थ की स्टडी में क्या क्या देखते हैं हम? अर्थ का फॉर्मेशन कैसे हुआ है, अर्थ के इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, क्या मटेरियल है. ओके, ऑल दीज थिंग्स कम अंडर दिस साइंस. So the geology term first of all used by in a publication by the two Genevan naturalist, or we can say two Genevan scientists or researchers, Jean Andre, the Jean Andre Dulac and Benedict de Saussure. So these two scientists or researchers first time used the geology word in a publications. But this word come into the limelight, it become more popularity when the first compendium that is known as encyclopedia published in 1751 by the Danish Diderot. So the Danish Diderot in 1751 published a compendium encyclopedia that include this word, and that time it gained more popularity. Now the geology. So now the geology is the study of earth. It study the material of which it is made. So what is the material that is present inside the layers of the earth? It study about the structure of these material and the processes acting upon them. So these things come under the geology. The geology include the study of organisms that have inhabited over the planet. It is also study the origin of life on the earth. An important part of geography is the study of earth material, structure, processes, and organisms have changed over the time. So the geological time scale is an important part of the geology science. So it deals with all the things, how the solar system is made up, how the earth is made up, how the internal structure of earth is made up, what are the different type of layers, what is their chemical composition, how they evolved during the process of evolution, how the uh, living beings came on the earth surface, how they develop. So all these things come under the geology. So geology also look the physical history. It also deals with the physical, chemical, and biological changes. Okay, that is undergone or undergoing. Okay, it include the study of rocks, minerals, soils, beaches, ocean basins, fossils, earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanoes, and tectonic plates and their movement, origin and evolution of Earth, and interior structure of the Earth. All these things come under the geology. Okay, so here there are two pictures. The first picture represents the geography and the second picture represents the geology. Because in the first picture, here you can see the landforms. These are the landforms and these are the water bodies. These are the rivers. So these are the different water bodies, landforms, land use, vegetation and oceans. They come under the physical geography, means it is a geographical things or geographical features of the earth. When we see the second picture, that is deal with the geography. Here you can see a person is examining the rocks, their composition, or we can say their origin or their structure. So when we study the rocks, their formation, their structure, these things come under the geology. So this is related to the geology and this is related to the geography. Okay, here you can see this is the map of the Australia. Okay, so these are the different type of the map of the different type of rocks and their extent. throughout the Australia. Here you can see different, the color represents the different type of the rocks. So there is different type of the rocks, means this is a geological map of the Australia. Okay, and the second map, here you can see the this navy color, or we can say this is blue color structure, represent the ocean around the Australia, and this is the land of the Australia. Okay, so these are the physical pictures of the earth. So this is the geographical map of the Australia. So the first map represents the geography of Australia, and the second map represents the geography of Australia. So now what is the difference between the geography and geology? Here the first is the who is the founder of geography. The Eratosthenes is the founder of geography, and Theophrastus is the founder of the geology. The term geography is given by the Eratosthenes, and the term geology given by the Dulac and de Saussure. So the geography word is derived from Greek word geographia, and the geology is derived from Greek word ge and logia. Okay, what is the meaning of? So the geographia means the description or drawing of the earth, and geo plus logi means it means the study of the earth. Now the in geography mainly we study the different physical and human properties over the surface of the earth, okay, and their interrelationships. In geology we study the origin, composition, structure and evolution of the earth. Now the branches of geography, so there are two three branches, main branches like human geography, physical geography and regional geography. These are the branches of the geography. And the general geography, here you can see this is the general geography and general geology and historical geology. These are the branches of geology. So these are the some basic difference among the geography and geology. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो में इतना ही। अगले वीडियो में फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार।